We the Masti Kids.
We hosted an Iftar Playdate.
Mom made mini prayer rugs for the dolls and superheroes. Then she bundled them up with pencils and candy and Ramadan-themed goodie bags.
Ramadan Mubarak. My Spider-Man hero started praying at the Iftar table. Allahu Akbar. Here's the date tree.
All my friends fasted that day. Some did full day fasts, while others did a half and quarter day fast.
Isa, please come and play with us. What is that? It's a full day fast. Good job. Okay, and then we have...
Isaac was very happy with his quarter day fast. But the best part was that we all earned a certificate for fasting. We played Kaaba board game. It was fantastic. May Allah accept our fast, and may He choose the right path and make us best Muslims, best humans, and a blessing for everyone around us.
See you next time.